Okay, right. Very good morning to all of you. So, last class we discussed about allied angles. Allied angles. Allied angles means 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. These are called allied angles. These are called allied angles. Okay now, before after that I was given some points. For 90 degrees and 270 degrees trigonometric ratios are changed. For 180 degrees and 360 degrees trigonometric functions are does not changes. These are very important points. Okay na? So listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay na? These are very useful to you. Okay, note down. In first quadrant, so before that you take this diagram previously. So 0 in this first quadrant, allied angles means 90 degrees minus theta. This is the allied angle present in first quadrant. 90 minus theta. Theta means you take any value in between 0 and 90. In between 0 and 90 degrees, you take any number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 90. 0 to 90. Okay na? Similarly, the aligned angles in second quadrant means 90 degrees plus theta, 180 degrees minus theta. These are allied angles present in second quadrant. Next, third quadrant. So 180 degrees plus theta, 270 degrees minus theta. Next, in fourth quadrant. This is in second quadrant. This is in third quadrant. This is in fourth quadrant. So this is 270 degrees plus theta, 360 degrees minus theta and minus theta in a negative direction angle. So 1 in first quadrant, right? 2 in second quadrant, 2 in third quadrant, 3 in fourth quadrant. Means these are allied angles. For each allied angle you apply trigonometric function. I said very clearly, each quadrant having 6 trigonometric functions. Each quadrant having 6 trigonometric functions, right? Now, first quadrant heading. First quadrant. So apply sine of 90 degrees minus theta, cos of 90 degrees minus theta. Next, tan of 90 degrees minus theta, cot of 90 degrees minus theta. Next, secant of 90 degrees minus theta, cosecant of 90 degrees minus theta. Okay now, for each trigonometric function we apply allied angle. Then what happens? I said very clearly, after that 2 points given, you observe 2 points given. What points given? For 90 is there in allied angles, 90 is there and 270 is there, that the trigonometric functions are changing. Understand? So sine becomes what? For 90 is there. Sine becomes what? See that points. Cos. So cos theta. 90 hoಯ್ತು, ಮುಗಿತು 90 ಕತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin of 90 minus theta value is what? cos theta ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ cos ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? sin. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, sin theta. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? cot. ಮತ್ತೆ cot ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? tan. secant ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? cosecant. Cosecant ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? secant. Understand? Result you got this result. Before that you see. In first coordinate 90 minus theta is there. Okay na? So in sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant are what? In first coordinate, what are the signs? Either positive or negative. So sine is positive, cos is positive, tan is positive, cot is positive, secant is positive, cosecant is positive. All are positive only. All are positive only. See, many students done mistake here only. Functions are changed, right? Functions are changed. Signs, while writing the signs, based on LHS only you have to write the sign. Sign is positive in first quadrant. So here you take positive. Okay, na? That difference you can understand very easily in second quadrant. Not now. Here all are positive means, so you did not find the difference. Okay, na? In second, note down first. Note down. Note down. Second quadrant. Second quadrant. So writing is sine 90 degrees plus theta, cos 90 degrees plus theta, tan 90 degrees plus theta, cot 90 degrees plus theta, secant 90 degrees plus theta, cosecant 90 degrees plus theta. And one more right angle is 180 degrees minus theta. Sine 180 degrees minus theta, cos 180 degrees minus theta, tan 180 degrees minus theta, cot 180 degrees minus theta, secant 180 degrees minus theta, cosecant 180 degrees minus theta. It is equal. So these are the allied angles. For each angle we apply trigonometric function, right? Now sine, cos, tan, cot, secant. So this is second quadrant. In second quadrant, which are positive? In second quadrant, which trigonometric signs are positive? Sine, cosecant. So sine is positive and cosecant is positive. Remaining any trigonometric function that is negative only. I took first sine, no confusions in this. Okay, na? First of all, 90 plus theta means the allied angle present in second quadrant. In second quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive? Sine, their reciprocal. Reciprocal is what? Cosecant. Sine, their reciprocal. Remaining are negative. Is it clear? Next. Here sine 90 is there. 90 is there. Trigonometric ratio is changed what? Cos theta. Cos means sin theta. Next one is cot theta. Next one is tan theta. Next one is cosecant theta. Next one is secant theta. The trigonometric functions are changed. So these are the values. Understand? Next, coming to that, 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. See now. 180 minus theta means the allied angle belongs to second quadrant only. Second quadrant means which trigonometric function sign is positive. So positive and positive. Remaining all are negative. Now what happens? Sin 180 minus theta. I said very clearly. The angle 180, 360 is there. Trigonometric function same. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. That's it. Next, third quadrant. Is it clear? Right. Third quadrant. What are allied angles in third quadrant? Sin 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta, cot 180 plus theta, secant 180 plus theta, cosecant 180 plus theta. Next, another side. Sin 270 degrees minus theta. Cos 270 degrees minus theta. Tan 270 degrees minus theta. Cot 270 degrees minus theta. Secant 270 degrees minus theta. Cosecant 270 degrees minus theta. So now apply same cases. See here the allied angle belongs to third one. In third quadrant, trigonometric functions which are positive, which are tan, cot, tan their reciprocal is cot. So these two only positive. Tan their reciprocal. Remaining negative. You take the negative. Now here you see. Now change the values. Here 180 is there. 180 is there. Then what happens? 180 is there. Same function is there in RHS side. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. That's it. That is our answer. Next, this is also belongs to third quadrant only. So in third quadrant, which are positive signs having trigonometric functions? Tan, cot. Remaining negative. Now see, here 270 is there. What happens to trigonometric function? Either plus or minus. What happens? Sin becomes cos theta. Now 270 gone. Next, cos means sin theta. Next, tan means cot theta. So cot means tan theta. Secant means cosecant theta. So cosecant means secant theta. Now 270 gone. Here 180 gone. Understand? Next one. Next one, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, how many allied angles are there? 3 allied angles are there. Okay, na? 3 allied angles are there. Now, sine 270 degrees plus theta, cos 270 degrees plus theta, tan 270 degrees plus theta, cot 270 degrees plus theta, secant 270 degrees plus theta, cosecant 270 degrees plus theta, 270 degrees plus theta. Next one, sine 360 degrees minus theta, cos 360 degrees minus theta, tan 360 degrees minus theta, cot 360 degrees minus theta, secant 360 degrees minus theta, cosecant 360 degrees minus theta. Next one is sine of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, so cot of minus theta, secant of minus theta, cosecant of minus theta. 3 allied angles we substituted for each trigonometric function. Now see, 270, see this is in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, what trigonometric functions having positive sign? Cos is positive and secant only positive. Remaining all are negative, means minus, 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 minus. Next, here 270 is the same process, nothing is there in that changes. 270 means what happens? Either plus or minus. Beside trigonometric function only changes. So here sign is there. What happens? Cos. This is sine. This is cot. This is tan. This is cosecant theta. This is secant theta. Same procedure we have to apply from first quadrant to last quadrant. First quadrant to last. See this second one. So this allied angle also belongs to fourth quadrant. Which are positive? Cos is positive and secant only positive. Remaining negative. Minus, 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 minus. Now here 360 is there. 360 is there. Trigonometric function changes? No, as it is. No, as it is sin theta and cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Understand? Understand? Right. Very good. Next, last one. This allied angle also belongs to which quadrant? Fourth. In fourth means which trigonometric function having positive sign? Same. Cos, cosecant. Secant. Cos is positive and secant is positive. Remaining all are negative. So minus, 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 minus. Remember this formula. Very simple. Here angle is not there. 270 is not there. 360 is not there. 90 is not there. So then how you are going to write? Here that theta only is there. Here as it is you take. As it is you take. Okay, so it is minus means it is nothing but 360 only you consider. 360 minus means what happens? Same procedure only you consider. Same one. So this is what? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, sorry, cot theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta. So there no angle means you should consider 180 or 360. 180 or 360. Minus angle you know, reverse direction in fourth quadrant. Next, 360 plus theta means belongs to which quadrant? 360 plus theta. That is also belongs to first quadrant only. 360 plus theta. One revolution is completed. One revolution. This is clear? This is clear? Right. Last point. Now, theta is completed. One revolution means 360 degrees completed. Next, again enter into the same place means what? This angle should be 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta belongs to means what? Which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant. So, sine of 360 plus theta. It is in first quadrant only. First quadrant. Cos 360 plus theta. Tan 360 plus theta. Cot 360 plus theta. Secant 360 degrees plus theta. Cosecant 360 degrees plus theta. Then you write the angles. This allied angle belongs to first quadrant only. 360 plus theta means belongs to first quadrant. All are positive only, na? 360 means all are positive only. All are positive only. All are positive. So 360 means trigonometric function does not change. Same as it is you take. Same as it is. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. So students, so in each and every quadrant, all allied angles we applied in trigonometric functions. This was completed. Okay, na? So you have to practice this. So next class we will solve some problems on this. Correct? Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all.